I'm waiting. It's taking forever for my dolls to arrive. Have a little patience, Toya. Find something else to do until they get here. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. While waiting for the rest of our Barbie the movie dolls to arrive, let's upgrade this pool chair. The chair itself comes from the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25. I can't beat that price, and I think it's perfect. I just want to upgrade the cushion so it looks more like Barbie's. I picked up this kneeling pad from the Dollar Tree. It's a thick foam, and I think we can use it to make our cushion. I also picked up white felt for $1.25 at the dollar store. I also have yellow cotton fabric and white yarn. Let's take the pool chair and measure the seat. I'm going with 7 and 2 3/4 inches. I draw a rectangle according to those measurements on the kneeling pad and cut it out. Place it onto the chair and measure a back cushion. I decided to go with 3 1/4 inches long. Glue on a layer of felt to smooth them out, and I cut a few 1.5 inch strips of yellow cotton fabric, fold over the sides so they meet in the center, then iron it flat. You can glue it down or sew it. I chose to glue mine. Cover the top and bottom of each cushion with the same yellow fabric, gluing it on the sides. Then use the strip to cover them up. And for an added detail, let's glue that white yarn along the edge to make Barbie-inspired cushions. Let's remove the old one and add the new ones to upgrade our pool chairs. Wow, I love the way these turned out. They are totally giving that Barbie vibe. With one kneeling pad and one yellow fat quarter, I was able to make 2 sets of cushions. The fabric cost me $1.20. I already had the yarn and I bought 2 chairs. So this project cost $4.95 or about $5 for the pair. And we finished just in time because my last few dolls have arrived. Oh yeah! Barbie in pink Western outfit for $50. Ken wearing denim matching set. Barbie in gold disco jumpsuit. Mattel Creations exclusive Ken doll in white and gold tracksuit. The fashion pack and the larger car. I wanted the small Hot Wheels car and the Mega Bloks Barbie the Movie Dreamhouse replica building kit, but we had to draw the line somewhere. You know, and exercise a little restraint. So many Barbies. This is a Barbie signature doll. On the back, we have a picture from the movie. Greetings from Barbie Land. Wishing you the best day ever. Let's take the doll out of the box. The background looks like a pink beach scene. We get a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, and a posable doll. She comes wearing a white hat. It is kind of flexible. There's a pink ribbon with stars around it. It's a pretty good fit. Even without the plastic little ties, it fits on the doll's head and stays. This doll has blonde curly hair with some product, large silver star earrings that are not designed to be removed. Oh man, the face screening looks really good. She has a shiny lip, wears a pink scarf around her neck. It's a long strip of hemmed fabric. She comes wearing a pink vest with metallic star details, faux pockets, printed details around the neckline, a printed horseshoe and more details in the back, and it snaps in the front. Matching pink pants with a stitched band at the waist, lots of stitching going down the legs, printed lacing in the front, printed stars in the back, and printed stars at the bottom of the legs. She wears white boots with silver and gold stars and brown heels. This doll can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Very cute. Totally adding this to my doll wardrobe. And check that out. The pants close with a hook in the back. Here's Ken in denim. We get a picture of the dream house on the back. And inside the box, a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, and a Ken looking to the side in a denim look. It has a high collar, no sleeves with a little fraying around the edge, little button details, faux pockets, with a sewn flap, golden brown stitching, with a little band at the bottom. He wears jeans that gather at the ankle. There's a button detail, working pockets. In the front and the back, there are belt loops, and they Velcro in the back. He wears undies that say Ken. Are they a separate piece? Yes, they are. The fabric on these pants is pretty thick and has a little bit of stretch, so they can fit our muscle Ken. Yeah! And he comes with white shoes. This Ken is posable. You can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. So it's the same articulation as the $25 Ken. But their clothes are different, and this one is looking forward, and this one is looking to the side. Check out our earlier Barbie the Movie videos to see their reviews. But now it's time for a little disco fun. Here is Barbie in her gold disco jumpsuit. Here's the back. Inside of the box is the dream house decorated for disco. Just like the other dolls, we get a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand, and a doll. Here we get Barbie with another side part, only this time her hair has a little brown in it. She has a plastic headpiece with gold trim and glitter. It is currently sewn to her hair, and the headband is kinda short. I am a little concerned that it might not stay on if I take out this thread. I took it out. Come on, don't act like you didn't know I was gonna do it. We can place it on her head, and it kinda stays, but I would be careful about wobbling her around. She has gold heels. Mine bent a little in the packaging, but they do bend back. However, I'll probably leave these off the doll. There are large curls in her hair. It does have product. She wears large gold earrings with little hearts at the bottom. Are they removable? They are. Why weren't these removable? Probably because of the hat. The gold jumpsuit is one piece with clear straps at the top. It's covered in sequins all the way around and has snaps in the back. And the pants are flared at the bottom. She comes with 2 gold-colored bracelets, and her nails are painted pink. And she has the same articulation as other Barbies in this collection. So other than their clothes, it seems like the main difference between all the Barbie variants is their hairstyle. We have bangs, a side part with brown streaks, and a center part. And here is the Mattel Creations exclusive. Ken in white and gold tracksuit. Here's the back, the background, certificate, doll stand, ooh, it's gold, and a doll. He has the same articulation as the other Ken, rooted hair with some product. I have a few loose hairs, and we're just gonna trim those off. On Mattel Creations website, his outfit is listed as a tracksuit. It is one piece. I was hoping that it was going to be 2 pieces, but it's just one. The sleeves are a shiny gold. There's a letter K on the chest. It is solid in the back. There's a gold line running down the leg. We have working pockets that are also gold trimmed. He has white shoes and a working zipper. And there are a few moles on the side of his face. Even though this doll is posable, he's not made to move, but it does look like he has a skin tone similar to Ken's, so he might be a match for Barbie Looks doll number 18. Yeah, looks like it'll be a match. But can he fit the tracksuit? Yes! Yes, he can! Prepare the hot water! And we might as well swap their hands while we're at it. I place the dolls in a plastic bag. then into hot water until they soften and we can remove them. There was a hole in the bag. Place the head onto the new body. Since his hair got wet, we're gonna go ahead and style him. Oh yeah, and I switched one of his hands. Now I'm adding gel to his hair. Then I use a comb to style. Truth be told, I'm not a huge fan of rooted hair on my guys. I'm sorry, I'm team sculpted. So I've started to put a ton of hair gel into their hair, so it's pretty much sculpted. Now we just need to let him sit and dry. While waiting, let's head over to the closet and check out the fashion packs. This was $50 at Mattel Creations. There are boxes inside with 3 different looks. I am using my made-to-move Margot Robbie Barbie as our model today. Pink pajamas with little fuzzy pink dots and lace, an elastic waistband, matching top with puff sleeves, a collar trimmed with lace, faux buttons down the front trimmed with lace on the sides, working pockets with lace. It closes with snaps in the back, comes with a pink velvet ribbon. What are we supposed to do with it? That'll work. She comes with pink shoes that won't stay on my made-to-move Barbie feet. Here they are on her original feet, and they are a little loose, but at the moment they are staying. And it also comes with a pink Barbie hairbrush. The second look has pink gingham shorts under a matching top with a heart cutout in the back, straps that tie at the shoulder. I found this to be a little challenging, giant human hands and all. There's a scalloped edge around the bottom. It feels like it's been singed. There's a pink bow in the back, a pink bow in the front. It velcros on the side. She has a pink plastic shell necklace, pink beaded bracelet, and a pink fabric matching hat with cream colored shoes. The hat seems to stay on pretty good. It's kind of flexible, so that's fun. And the last look is the blue and white outfit that ties behind the neck. We're getting lots of little trim and details at the neckline. There's a blue and white polka dot scarf, a full skirt with printed blue details. The pattern goes all the way around and it snaps in the back. It comes with blue and white plastic bracelets and white heels. Oh, and this outfit also comes with shorts. I love this look. I think it is super cute and absolutely perfect for photos inspired by the movie. This is the larger car with a retail price of $75. The doors can open. It has a handle and a little key detail. It looks like it has seating for 4 with pink and white interior. No way. Is that for the window? If you were going to roll the windows up, but there's no windows? I love it anyway. Here's the steering wheel. It does turn. We have little gauges here. Loving all the little buttons. There's a Barbie logo in the back. The trunk does open. Little plastic light details. Here's the front. Love that. They're shiny. The front wheels can turn, and they turn with the steering wheel. I love Barbie cars. I have a nice little collection. This is a new fave. I like the scale and that it can fit so many dolls. No assembly was required, and it did come with a certificate of authenticity. And so did the clothes. Plus, the little things that help to hold the car in place. I think there's a crafting opportunity here. Let's just trim off this extra piece, then trim off these little side tabs, glue them together, add a little iridescent sticky paper to make an easy lamp by recycling the packaging. And Ken's hair is done, and he's ready to be added to the shelf. I am loving all these dolls, so excited for the movie, and I'm very happy with my collection. Thank you for joining us while we looked at some more dolls from Barbie the movie. Let us know in the comments down below what Barbie-inspired crafts you would like to see next. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Yeah.